A source says Angelina Jolie hopes ex-Brad Pitt will stop attacking her and instead help heal their family. As a source for Pitt blasts, a never-ending distortion of facts, Angelina Jolie hopes she and Brad Pitt can turn over a new leaf in 2025 after settling their years-long divorce battle. On Monday, December 30th, the exes signed off on their divorce, putting an end on the legal matter 8 years after she originally filed to end their marriage in September 2016. Jolie's divorce attorney James Simon of Hirsch Manus said that the actress, 49, has been focused on finding peace and healing for their family. And, frankly, Angelina is exhausted, but she is relieved this one part is over. A rep for Pitt, 61, declined to comment on the divorce finalization. A source close to Jolie tells People that she hopes Pitt can now move on and stop attacking her. Brad has successfully used his power and his privilege to cover up his conduct at his family's expense, to punish Angelina for leaving, and even to attempt to paint her as the reason why his relationship is so challenging with the children, says the source. Angelina hopes the finalization of their divorce will enable him to move on, stop attacking her, and instead help heal their family, the source adds. A source close to Pitt rejects the characterization, telling People that Jolie has engaged in one-sided attacks for the past 8 years, including a never-ending distortion of facts and projecting their own behavior onto others, causing tremendous collateral damage to those in and around the family. Pitt and Jolie, who share 6 children, are still at odds in a separate lawsuit over the French winery they once owned together. He sued her for allegedly breaching an agreement they had when she sold away her half of Chateau Miraval for $67 million in October 2021. In June 2024, Jolie said via her lawyer in that case that Pitt should end the fighting and finally put their family on a clear path toward healing by dropping the lawsuit. On December 30th, a Jolie source added, "Sadly, until he drops his lawsuit, this family will not have the peace and healing they so very much desire and deserve. Still, until he ends the Miraval lawsuit, Angelina will continue to stand up to him," says the source. On Tuesday, December 31st, a source close to Pitt calls Miraval a perfect example of Jolie's approach to attacking Pitt. Brad built an extraordinary, increasingly valuable business, and she chose to deliberately disregard their agreement, and instead of completing negotiations for him to buy her out and keeping Miraval fully in the family and ending the battles, she instead chose to sell to a total stranger not aligned with the company's vision so she could take the money for herself and punish him, says the source. In November, a Pitt source said his recent victories in the developing winery case demonstrates the legitimacy of his claims and demonstrates yet again the other side's talk is not backed up with substance.